Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to model this machine component using Creo Parametric. In this machine component I am going to start with the front side cylinder. I will model this solid cylinder, then I will model this small cylinder. After that I will add these two cylinders by adding this web. Then I will add this rib using a rib portion. Then I will remove material. I will do the remove material here and as well as here. Now we'll learn how to model this component using Creo Parametric. After modeling in Creo Parametric, it will look like this. Now we'll see how to model this component using Creo Parametric. Go to File, close it, New, make sure you have in part solid, untick this use default template, save OK, part solid absolute, front plane, sketch view. Now for easy modeling, I am just keeping this figure left side. It will be easy to parallelly view the model. Now we can model the geometry. First I will start with this cylinder with a diameter of 100 mm and the extrusion length is 40. Take a circle. The diameter is 100. Fit screen. Save OK. Extrude. Rotate your object and make a symmetric. Now the extrusion length is 40. Save OK. Then we'll create the bottom solid object. Select this mid plane, sketch view. Take the circle as a reference. Rectangle. This length is 50 and this height is they mentioned as 75 from the center. So select this dimension from here to this point. This is 75. Now the sketch is OK. Just save OK. Extrude. Here you can see the object is not properly engaged. Anyway, symmetric, not fully properly connected. For that just sketch, extrude. I'm just going into the sketch view on itself. Here just extend the sketch to little bit higher. Now remove this edge by using a delete segments. Just save OK. Go to extrude, edit. Extrusion length is 40. Save OK. Now see it is properly connected. Then we have to add this cylinder. Select this mid plane, sketch view. Take a reference of this cylinder, just close. Now small circle I am creating it. The diameter of the outer circle is 50 and this center of the cylinder is 100 mm from the center of this bigger cylinder. This diameter is 100, this distance is 100. Now we can connect these two by using this web. Take a rectangle, connect it. The thickness is 10 mm. Here also just extend little bit and remove these edges. Go to delete segment. remove this edge too. The pink color indicates that sketch is closed. Then save OK. Extrude. Symmetric. The extrusion length is 40. Save OK. Then we have to create a rib here. Only the top side. Select this midplane again. Sketch. Sketch view. Take a reference of these two circles. Then close. Take a line. Just connect this circle with the line. Here we just want to make tangent connection. Tangent here and here. Now it is connected with the tangent connection. Just save OK. Here choose profile rib. Change the direction. Now the thickness of this rib is 10. Save OK. Now we have created all the material addition features. Now we will go for the material removal feature. I am going to start with the material removal feature with the bigger cylinder. Select this surface, sketch, sketch view. Start with the circle. The diameter of the circle is 64. And here the thickness is 6 mm. Mistakenly they have written this is 6 mm actually. Rectangle, this thickness is 6. Now delete the edges. Go to delete segments. Now it is done. Just save OK. Here also we can make it in a single throw. Select this one. Center is not showing. For that go to reference. Take this circle as reference. Now take a circle. The diameter is 25. Just save OK. Now extrude. Change the direction to next. Save OK. Now the full model is completed. The only feature is circle, hole here. Select the surface, sketch, sketch view. Take a reference of this bottom and left side and mid one. Then close. Take a circle. The diameter is 15. From here to there it is 15. Just save OK. Extrude. Here you can see by giving a 2 next, it will only up to this it will remove the material. But we need to remove throughout the section. For that choose through all. Now you can see it is removed the material throughout the object. Now press the roller to confirm. Now the complete object is done. This is our model. If you want to apply the color, go to view, appearance, white color. Remaining we can give some other colors. Now we have learned how to draw this component using Creo Parametric. In next tutorial we will see the another component. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.